Good morning, students. I am Bhupesh Bansal, Director Anand Prakash Educational Academy and your mentor for physics. आनंद प्रकाश एजुकेशनल एकेडमी कई वर्षों से अपनी फिजिकल क्लासेस के थ्रू बहुत सारे जेईस एंड नीट एस्पिरेंट्स को इंजीनियर्स और डॉक्टर्स बना चुकी है। आज वो सब अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स में, अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में कार्यरत हैं और कई डॉक्टर्स, कई इंजीनियर्स अपना खुद का भी व्यवसाय कर रहे हैं। So we are proud of those doctors, we are proud of those engineers who have passed out, and what made them different? Only their dedication. Their dedication along with our mentorship has given them these fruits, and really it is a point of appreciation. They have attended all the classes, all the physical classes those days. Now we have come up with the online classes also this year onwards, and they have attended all the classes, they have given all the tests, and finally the result was that they passed through, they cracked the JEE and the NEET. So students, if you too want to walk their path, what you have to do? You have to be dedicated in all your efforts. So let us begin with the last part of our chapter on magnetism, that is domestic wiring. What we will be discussing today is domestic wiring, earthing, fuse. In earthing we will also be discussing the importance of the earth, fuse, hazards of electricity, and precautions one has to take while dealing with electricity. So let us start with domestic wiring. हमको सबको मालूम है हमारे घर में बिजली कहाँ से आती है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड से आती है, उनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोर्ड से आती है। हमारे घर के बाहर तक पोल होता है और पोल से हमारे यहाँ अगर सिंगल फेज कनेक्शन है तो 2 वायर्स आती हैं, 3 फेज कनेक्शन है तो 4 वायर आती हैं। आई एम कंसिडरिंग ओनली सिंगल फेज कनेक्शन इन विच देर इज अ फेज एंड अ न्यूट्रल. This goes to a meter. I am writing MTR for the meter. मीटर किस लिए होता है? हमने कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम की है एक महीने में, उसको रीड करने के लिए। हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में देखा था कि एनर्जी कैलकुलेशन कैसे करते हैं। ये मीटर वो काम ऑटोमेटिकली करता है, हमको फिजिकली वो काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। उसके बाद में फ्यूज़ होता है। फ्यूज़ क्यों होता है ये हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे थोड़ी देर में। एंड देन इट गोज टू अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोर्ड. From this distribution board, the electricity through a fuse again gets circulated in our house. Now I am not showing a fuse in the neutral because neutral is not is the return path and does not carry any meaningful current which can damage or cause and damage to us. So I am not showing a fuse in the neutral, but sometimes you have this can be a fuse or MCCB in the phase. So this goes to our equipments. So this is a very simple circuit for the domestic wiring. Now let us say phase is around 233 volts, neutral is 0 potential. Then we have a meter which calculates the energy consumed. This is a fuse. Fuse is both in the phase and the neutral. Then this is the distribution board or distribution box. Apart from that, there is another wire running from the pole which is connected first to the meter, then to this distribution board, and then it travels around to the equipments. आपने देखा होगा आपके घर में जितने भी प्लग सॉकेट्स लगे होते हैं उसमें 3 पिन्स होती हैं। ये होता है फेज, ये होता है न्यूट्रल और ये होता है अर्थ। ये सबसे बड़ा पिन होता है ताकि आप गलती से भी उल्टा ना लगा पाएँ। तो ये अर्थ वायर है। कई बार हम लोग इसे अपने घर में जनरेट करते हैं, कई बार डायरेक्टली पोल से लेते हैं। So this earth we get in the equipments. Now what is the importance of this earth? The importance of this earth is only for the protection of equipments and individuals who are handling those equipments. किस तरह से वो हेल्प करता है? Let us see that. Hope this diagram is clear to you and you have taken the screenshot of this diagram. Now, the most common equipment which we use in our house is a ironing press, जो कि एक मेटल स्ट्रक्चर की होती है, समथिंग लाइक दिस. उसके ऊपर में ये बॉडी होती है एंड हियर वी हैव अ हैंडल. दिस इज metal. This also at times is metallic or special fibrous material, and this again is metallic because we have to handle the weight of the iron. Now here we get the heat. How we get the heat? We have a coil running here. The coil, heating effect of electricity we already seen. This coil produces I square RT. The current is converted into heat energy, and this plate becomes heated up. And through this heated up plate, we press our clothes. But suppose a part of it touches the metal, then what will happen? Here, when we are touching the handle, and if it's not a insulated handle, then we are bound to get a shock. How? If this is a person, and if he is touching this, then the current will pass through his body into the earth. Earth is a zero potential. Earth is at a zero potential. So, being at higher potential, the current will flow from higher potential through his body into the earth. If this current exceeds 25 milliampere, I am saying milliampere, then it can result in fatal accident. Otherwise, there can be furious burn injuries or major damages like short circuit into the equipment or in the wiring, which can cause fire accident. So when dealing with electricity, how this earth is important, what this earth does, this equipment is already connected with earth. So before the current passes through your body, because your body has some resistance, it shorts the path of your body and connects it to the earth directly. And what happens in the circuit? We have a fuse or MCB. That MCB or fuse blows off. Then the equipment is safe, we are safe, nothing happens to us. Now, how the fuse blows off? We have used the word the fuse blows off. How the fuse blows off, and what is actually a fuse? Fuse is nothing but a heating element. It's nothing but a heating element. If you have seen a KitKat fuse, it's something like this. A wire is wound, and here we have a connection like this. This is the incoming side, this is the outgoing side of the fuse, and this is the fuse wire which we are talking of. It is nothing but a heating element, and we know the heat energy generated is I square RT. When the current exceeds a particular level, the heat energy becomes so high, or the heat power becomes so high that this wire melts. It crosses its melting temperature and this wire melts, thereby opening the circuit and rescuing us of the electrical hazards. So friends, many a times what we are seeing people doing, ये फ्यूज बार बार उड़ रहा है, हाई रेटिंग का फ्यूज लगा दो, but that is dangerous. Why it is dangerous? Because that will not blow off, and ultimately that can cause severe electrical faults in the system, which we have already discussed a few minutes back. So a fuse is nothing but a heating element which helps protect your wiring, which helps protect your installations, which help protect yourself. So we should not play any games with the fuse. Hazards we have already discussed. There are many hazards of electricity, and we have to have sufficient precautions to be taken while handling them. One is the fatal accidents. If we are not professionals in the electricity field, then we should not handle electricity like a layman. It can cause severe accidents like fatality also. There comes the role of earth. Second, it can cause severe burn injuries due to IV fluids generated after the accident. The burn injuries are more critical than the normal burn injuries. Third is it can cause short circuit and thereby cause fire. It can cause a short circuit and thereby cause a fire accident. It can damage the equipments. Now, what actually we have to do to protect ourselves? Use proper PPEs. आजकल PPE वर्ड बहुत सुन रहे होंगे आप कोविड के ज़माने में. Doctors are wearing PPEs, but electricians have been wearing these PPEs, hand gloves and safety shoes since long time. So proper PPE, then proper use of earth wire, proper selection of phase wire, proper selection of phase oblique neutral wire can avoid all these damages. So friends, here we complete our second chapter, that is magnetism. We will be taking up some questions on magnetism so that you understand this chapter even better in our next video lecture. Till then, stay safe, take care, but do not forget to like the videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.